boys and girls. I wanted to go over the how-to writing process with you today. How-to authors are experts who teach their readers how to do something. So when we write a how-to, the first thing you need to do is choose a topic that you know a lot about. Then you need to list all the items you need. Then we list the steps in order using sequence words or transition words. Then we draw pictures that show each step in detail. So the first thing you need to do when you're writing a how-to is think about something you know all about. On this page I have some things that you might know all about how to play with blocks, how to be a friend, how to wash your hands. Maybe you know all about how to read a book or draw a picture or make a pizza or snowman. Those are just some of the ideas. So I'm going to read you the story, How to Make a Snow Person. And this book gives us an idea about what we should be writing in our how-to books. This book is How to Make a Snow Person, written by Frost T. Snowman. How to Make a Snow Person. That's called our title page. This is how to make a snow person. You need to make a bottom, a middle, and a top. You need supplies to add details too. First, roll up a big ball. This will be the bottom of the snow person. Second, roll up a smaller ball, then the first ball. This will be the middle of the snow person. Third, roll up a smaller ball than the second ball. This will be the head of the snow person. Fourth, set the middle on top of the base. Then, set the head on top of the middle. Now you have a body. Next, you can add details to the body. Add arms to the middle ball of the snow person. Add eyes, a nose, and a mouth to the head. Try to use materials that match the shapes you want. Will your snow person have a big nose? Will your snow person be smiling or frowning? Then you can put a hat on your snow person's head. Finally, you can wrap a scarf around your snow person's neck. You have made a snow person. Will you make a friend for your snow person? So now I want to go over a how to brush your teeth. You're going to be doing one for yourself today. It's not going to be about brushing your teeth, but let's do this one together. So when you get this paper, you'll see that there's a first, a next, and a last. So you need to think about the steps that you take to brush your teeth. Maybe you can share with a family member or start thinking about it now. I'll give you a minute to think. What are the things you do when you brush your teeth? So first, get your toothbrush and toothpaste. Take the cap off the toothpaste. And I drew a picture of my toothbrush and my toothpaste without my cap on. Next, squeeze a little toothpaste onto the toothbrush. Put the toothbrush into your mouth and brush your teeth, making circles. And there's my person brushing their teeth in circular motions. Last, spit out the toothpaste into the sink. Rinse your mouth with water. Put the cap on the toothpaste and put your toothbrush away. So your task today for writing is going to be how to clean your room. You're going to write a first, a next, and a last. Think about the things you do when you clean your room. What would be the first thing? Do you make your bed? Do you put your laundry away? Maybe you have to clean up your toys. Think about the things you do. Have a great day, boys and girls. I look forward to your reading How to Clean Your Rooms.